Do you see this as a fluke, or is this just some ChatGPT hype, or is this something that the management team should take seriously?
It's absolutely not hype. It's something that we all need to take seriously, and it's going to affect every industry, every job, every company sooner or later. The train is on the tracks, it's going 80 miles an hour, and we need to get on it.
But what is AI?
Yeah, but it's not as easy to define as you might think. No. A very grossly simplified answer to that is it's basically a software assistant, a computer that can do things that normally would require human intelligence.
Where do you see then the risks in all of that?
Well, of course, you risk dividing people and companies alike into the haves and have-nots. So you have the people that are ahead of the curve, that hire people like me and are innately curious about tech and AI, and they will just have a different advantage than the people or companies who do not look into this.